I'm Liv Fyland. I am originally from Wagga Wagga in country New South Wales, but I have spent so much of my adult life camping and exploring the South Coast, and I love it. I have just had the most magical morning. I walked through lush countryside out onto Billy's Beach.
This ceremony was passed down to me by my grandfather.
Hi, I'm Dwayne, your Yuin Aboriginal guide. Our experiences within the Yuin retreat are special for our guests because our Yuin dreaming and our sunrise ceremony has been passed down from generation to generation.
We've just pulled up and we're about to go swimming with the seals. I have been swimming with dolphins, fish and sharks. Haven't been with seals yet.
You're only as good as your soil and your pasture when you do this kind of stacked agriculture. We're pretty serious about, not overstocking, animal health. If you keep it at the right level and then you can supply your local community, which we're really genuine about.
Yeah,
really,
I'm quite tempted to move in, I'm not going to lie. Like, you've sold me with the view, the produce, and the goats.
Yes, the goats, because they're so fun.
We had a connection.
Yeah.